I'm quitting my job, and that might be good news for you. Hello, I'm Tom. Welcome to my channel where we usually discuss continuous improvement in an industrial setting. But today's video, it's more of a personal update. You see, I wanted to share with you that, I'm quitting my job, but it might still be a very good thing for you actually. It may also be a good thing for me. Not too sure yet, but I hope it will be. And I'm sort of confident it will all land fine, because I will be starting as a freelance consultant and trainer back completely in the CI field as of November this year. So what that means is that I'll be seeing, hopefully, a lot more factories again. And if I'm again in many different factories with different levels of lean and different levels of Six Sigma and different maturity in the continuous improvement programs, I will also again have way more experiences and inspiration and just the things that I need to grow this YouTube channel. Now, that is not the main reason why I'm making this career switch. I really want to get back into the professional continuous improvement side, and I have been looking at consultancy actually already for years as a nice option. Just decided to take the plunge this year, but that should be a very nice added experience for me, and therefore also a good inspiration that I'll use for your benefit. The other thing is that, especially because I'm not gonna be 5 days a week, 9 to 5 on that, I will also have quite a bit more time for different companies, different students as well. So in what I can be doing now, how I can also serve you, I will have contact with different people, groups of people. Through YouTube, I hope to be able to free up a bit more time to make even more content for you. And also, I want to spend part of the time on coaching you, if you want to, on putting up, the coaching part next to the trainings. Online, in person, that will be if you are somewhere around Holland, so more or less that, or Germany or Belgium, that's all fine, but or online coaching, and by that be able to serve you a lot better. So I'm really looking forward to that. I also know that that will not fill my week, not by a long shot, so I'll definitely be also working as a freelancer here in Holland. But I just wanted to share that with you. And that is also why you've seen in this week, that is if you are watching the video immediately when it comes out, but in this week I have relaunched the problem solving course, now with the full package, and also now with different levels of how you can get the material with my time and my coaching along with it. And that starts with just an Excel template without too much extra fuss. You may have already downloaded it. If you don't have that Excel template, it is a free problem solving template. Just download it and try it for yourself. Now, the thing that I relaunched now is the course, the online course around that. And I've gone through it with the first couple of students. They've provided me some feedback. We made the course even better. And it is a very nice standalone online learning course with a lot of video and also some overviews, some extra files, a good package of how to problem solve with a team. You can take that perfectly as a self-study course. But if you want to boost also how you can get results in your first problem solving effort, or maybe not your first problem solving, but the first problem solving with my method, then we can also add a couple or a lot of coaching on top of that. Because what we'll do there is we have a call after you've studied the materials, but you still have to decide on which problem to solve. Just to go through everything, make sure that you understand the stuff before you dive into the practice. And then, preferably with your manager or preferably with the problem owner, we also have a call at the beginning of the problem solving steps. So after you've made a team, but before you really get them all together, we'll have a call to make sure that all the prerequisites are met and that you are lined up to really have a good, successful problem-solving effort, because that will give you the best practice and will also give you the best chance of good results. And then at the end, we'll do another call. We'll make sure that we evaluate everything that has happened. Maybe you still want to make a couple of changes now that you still can, and to get you the recognition for the results that you achieve. And if you want me to guide you through your first problem-solving project completely, we'll do that. We'll have a call at the end of each of the steps. Make sure that the previous stuff is well understood and that you prep in the correct way for the next step. Any questions you get, when you practically dive into solving a problem, it is just always different than the theory. So you will get questions, you will see obstacles, you will want to have someone whom you can discuss that with. Now, maybe you have them in your organization, but I would also be more than happy to assist you in that. And for the rest, of course, we still have the chat about which prerequisites, the evaluation at the end, but you just get guidance throughout the whole process. And if you ever have a question in between, also just mail me, I'll help you on that. I won't be solving the problem for you because you need to learn that, but I'm really looking forward to guiding you through the course material, but also through your first practical project and make it a success that you can celebrate within your organization. And then next to problem solving, there is of course a whole world of continuous improvement to explore as well. So if you have a request for what topics should be in the next course, hey, let me know. Thinking a bit about R&R, but there are so many interesting topics that need a good explaining and that can really help you achieve the next level in the continuous improvement of your organization, and also by that in your own career, because let's not forget that is also an important part of why you are learning. So that's why you see that even though quitting my job, it has been quite an emotional roller coaster, I'm convinced that it will be a good step for me. I'm also sure that it could be a very nice thing for you. So hopefully you'll see a lot more of me on YouTube and other channels. And even better, maybe we can work together. That would really be a nice thing. For now, I wish you the best in your career. And as always, don't forget to enjoy the continuous improvement journey.